How was it growing up near Vicky Kaushal?
I mean, he was just a friend that time.
Did you know he'll become
He's still
Vicky
just a
Kaushal?
friend, so, huh?
You think that guy will become Vicky Kaushal?
I mean, ऐसे बचपन में तो कोई सोचता है नहीं, but
Did he ever break out into like really cool dances?
he's always been a very good dancer.
Okay.
Because बचपन में we used to all play passing the parcel. सबका birthday party game used to be that, and every time
You've played passing the parcel with Vicky Kaushal.
I think every single birthday that was the go-to game. And then we would all do things that we are good at, right? Like, and for him it was always dance. Like he would always dance, and he was like a very captivating dancer. But yeah, he's my. We used to be neighbors when we were growing up. So and he's my oldest friend. Like he's my first friend ever, because I was like 1 and he was I think 6 or 7 or whatever. And like so. Since then I've known him.
Wow. Do you ever like meet and talk about this journey of life post fame now? Like from playing passing the parcel together to like being in films?
Not really. We just meet, eat good food. My mom makes lovely South Indian food at home, Malayali food. So we catch up over food and conversations, and not really a lot of reflective topics come up. Not yet.
Is Malayali cuisine your favorite food?
I have multiple favorites.
Okay.
I love Indian cuisine as a whole. Let me start with
Full
that.
spectrum.
Because the moment I'm in Italy, France, Thailand, after 2 days, I am that tourist who will be like, yaar, koi Indian restaurant hai kya?
Dal, I want dal.
Dal chawal milega kya? Dal makhani, rajma. I am that tourist, okay? And I'm not even kidding. I don't even need 2 days. Sometimes after 1 day, I'm like, acha, Indian restaurant. And my friends who are like food connoisseurs, they'll be like, see, we told you, this is what you do. You keep running behind Indian food. But I'm that person. But having grown up in Bombay, I grew up exposed to like multiple cultures. So my comfort food on certain days is fish curry, rice, like the Mallu cuisine. And on some days it's rajma chawal. Then some days it's Konkani food. I love Maharashtrian food also.
Malwani.
And Maharashtrian chaat. Oof.
Maharashtrian chaat.
Bombay chaat.
Okay.
Bombay chaat, not
Okay,
Maharashtrian chaat, but Bombay chaat, like vada pav and
Gotcha.
sev puri and all of that. So it depends day to day.
What's
But
it?
Indian food,
Go to chaat. Go to street food.
sev puri.
Why?
Why? मतलब इसमें क्या deep
There is
philosophical
depth.
meaning मैं
There is
सेव
depth.
पूरी में कैसे निकालूं
There is
रणवीर?
depth in food. I mean, it's a way to get to know someone's emotional side.
There is definitely childhood vibes when it comes to my fish curry, rice and fish fry. Of course, it reminds it's mom, it's home, it's it's the food I link to my mother.
Yeah.
The sev puri I don't know
Why save puri?
because
Some romantic vibes are coming out.
Romantic vibes
You've
with
done some
sev
save puri
puri.
date or what?
no.
No? Okay. What's your go-to date situation?
Go to date. जो बहुत मजा आ रहा है तुझे.
I'm vibing, dude.
Vibing hard.
Yeah.
Date. Maybe over a nice meal, probably.
Where?
I don't think I have one place. I'm jumping around. I'm constantly living across cities.
Okay.
So I don't think I have one.
How do you manage a relationship while you work in so many industries?
You make time.
Calls.
I'm in control of what dates I'm giving to what project. So I make sure, like for instance, I was working for 1.5 years non-stop until 3 months back. I was shooting for Raja Saab, my film that's just come out. So उसके लिए जैसे ही उसका शूट खत्म हुआ, the last schedule, I was like, I need a couple of months off to myself. Otherwise, I'm feeling like too scattered, too all over the place, too lost. So then I took 2 months off. I told my team, guys, whatever we're signing, we'll sign post that. So I took 2 months off, spent time with family, traveled a little bit, sort of got that
Grounding.
grounding back.